If you need a great party appetizer, you can't go wrong with a cheese ball. Easy to make, and it's always a hit with any crowd. Alex Danes showing us today, though, how to give it a little Easter flair.
Hey guys, Alex Danes here, and I want to show you how to make a super cute appetizer for your Easter celebrations. This is my favorite way to make an Easter charcuterie board with a totally edible carrot cheese ball in the center. Let's make it. This recipe is really easy. You can use any cheese ball recipe you like. I have a personal favorite, I'll share that recipe with you. But you make your cheese ball first, and then you want to make it into a triangle shape and set it in some wax paper. Set it in your fridge for a couple of minutes, up to 30 minutes, before you put it on your charcuterie board. Once you have your cheese ball made and shaped into a triangle shape, you want to place it on any board that you want to be using. I just like to cut out the wax paper around the triangle and then use a knife to make sure you get that carrot shape, kind of smooth down the edges and the top. And then to this, how we're going to make it look like a carrot is I have some sharp shredded cheddar cheese here that I'm just going to take and I'm going to press it onto the cheese ball like this. And then that's gonna give it the orange color so it looks like a carrot. Next, we're going to make a stem out of parsley. So I have some fresh parsley here with the long stems on. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab a couple of leaves and stick them in the top of the cheese ball. And see how that's making it look even more like a carrot? Now we have this super cute carrot cheese ball that's totally edible in the center of our charcuterie board. All that's left is to put whatever you want to use as dipping in your cheese ball all around it. So I have some carrots here. I also have some celery that I chopped up. And then whatever your favorite crackers are, you just want to pile those on the outsides. And there you have it, an easy and adorable Easter charcuterie board with a carrot cheese ball.
Oh my gosh, Alex, you're adorable. Thank you so much. And it just takes one little idea like that to make the holiday feel special. So hopefully we've loaded you up with those small, simple ideas to elevate your holiday this weekend. Visit our website for more inspiration. Happy Easter, everybody.